Right back to that story that Teresa was talking about surrounding mental health and our youth. Isabel Garcia talked with Monroe County's Public Health Commissioner about all this. She joins us now with the very latest. Izzy.
Yes, Adam and Teresa, since that tragedy last week at the School of the Arts, there's been a spotlight on mental health services and resources available to the community. Meantime, Monroe County's Public Health Commissioner tells me recent data where kids and teens took the survey show a real need to break down stigmas surrounding many topics such as depression, substance use, and suicide. The Youth Risk Behavior Survey is conducted nationally, where communities like Monroe County, high school students are the ones providing the answers and insights. It asks questions about dating abuse, eating disorders, screen usage, social media, sexual exploitation, and of course, mental health, including suicide thoughts and ideation. Some of the significant takeaways from Monroe County's recent report for the 2023-24 school year shows an increase in bullying reported by young people, previously at 13%, now 16%.
All of us are going to mess up, and we're all learning how to navigate the world at that age, but teaching young people how to be a good friend and how to set a boundary, like, I did not like this thing that was said or this thing that you did, and I need you to stop. And if someone is not willing to respect your boundary, then maybe we need to reconsider how much time we spend with that friend.
Overall, well over a quarter of high schoolers surveyed, 34%, are experiencing some sort of emotional mental health concern significant enough to make it difficult to concentrate or focus, impacting their ability to do things like study, perform in music, sports, academia, etc. Another significant takeaway from the results, of students who reported attempting suicide in the past year, only 38% reached out to a trusted adult for help.
11% of students reported on this last survey that they've had some thoughts about suicide, thoughts about hurting themselves. And unfortunately, many young people don't realize that these thoughts are actually really common. It's such a taboo topic that many young people and even adults will think they're the only ones that have had these thoughts, that they can't share this information with anyone. And so really engaging young people in conversations, especially when there's been a recent tragedy, is one of the best interventions.
Staying on the topic of suicide, Dr. Velez de Brown notes oftentimes while young people may not talk to adults as openly as their peers, it's still ultimately up to all grown-ups to have those open conversations.
It would actually be really important to communicate to young people that they bear no fault. There is no blame on the survivors of an event like that, and certainly not young people. It is the adults' jobs to take care of young people. And so, yes, we all want to be good friends and supportive, but I would tell your younger viewers, it is okay to ask for help on behalf of a friend.
And a major resource available to anyone is the Monroe County Health Department's mobile app, free to download. There are tutorials and guides for how to connect to the vast supports in our area, including Golisano's walk-in mental health clinic for kids. For now, reporting in the studio, Isabel Garcia, News 8.